We are pleased to show you the 2016 Acadia. The GMC Acadia has great capability coupled with exceptional safety, offering better highway fuel economy than any other 8-passenger SUV, advanced technology, and thoughtful ergonomics. The Acadia is a premium utility that rejects compromise and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power liftgate, power passenger seat, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, air conditioning, power steering, alloy wheels, remote vehicle start. Come take a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.